Hi everybody, good morning to all. Now I am going to introduce you a new term which is nothing but an acceleration. What is acceleration? So let's see that one which is very familiar to us in our daily life. Whenever we get into a train, we can feel that actually from the beginning the train is going to take off. The velocity of the train increases. So in the middle, the train moves with constant velocity. We never feel any jerk. When the station is approaching, the driver will apply some brakes, and the train automatically suddenly trying to stop. Whenever the train driver applies the brakes, you can feel the jerk in your body. What is the reason behind this one? There is a change in velocity. If there is a change in velocity, then you can feel that one when you are there in that vehicle. So basing on this point, what is acceleration? Acceleration means the rate of change in velocity. The rate of change of velocity. The rate of change of velocity is called as acceleration. Acceleration means you can write like this. Acceleration is the one which is denoted with a word small a. Therefore, acceleration small a is equal to change in velocity by time taken. So, what is acceleration means? The rate of change of velocity is called as nothing but a acceleration. So acceleration is denoted with the letter A. What is the formula for the acceleration? Change in velocity by time taken. What is the SI unit of acceleration? The SI unit of acceleration is equal to meter per second square. What is the CGS unit of acceleration? CGS unit of acceleration is equal to centimeter per second square. What is the acceleration means? The rate of change of velocity is called as acceleration. It is denoted with small a in SI unit and CGS unit. Let's see that acceleration is a, which one means? Acceleration is a vector. Acceleration is a vector. It is not a scalar because velocity is a vector. Displacement is a vector. So acceleration is also a vector. Now let's see uniform acceleration. What is uniform acceleration? If a body changes equal velocities in equal intervals of time, then it is said to be in uniform acceleration. Okay, what is that one? If a body changes equal velocities in equal intervals of time. If a body changes equal velocities in equal intervals of time, then this is said to be uniform acceleration. You already know about nothing but a uniform motion. In the same way, if the same interval of time, if the body changes equal velocities, then it is said to be uniform acceleration. So in the next class, we will see that actually how this uniform acceleration is related to the equations of motion. Thank you.